The best deal in the Pacific Northwest is a recreational razor clam license. It costs only $12 for a year of clam digging. I just bought my license for razor clamming on the Washington coast this weekend. There's nothing that tastes better than fresh razor clams. The people of Washington state and visitors made 500,000 trips to their sandy beaches over the last 2 years to harvest clams and oysters. During the pandemic, people turned to activities like shellfishing to get into the great outdoors. Shellfish are a big business too. The majority of shellfish aquaculture in all of the US is in Washington state, contributing $270 million to the annual economy. Shellfish have been cultivated in Washington for more than 160 years, and Native American families consider shellfish harvesting an important tradition that has connected them to their past and their lands for centuries. Our shellfish are sought by people around the world and are a source of great pride for the state. But these shellfish harvests can be threatened by harmful algal blooms caused by the microscopic algae that are shellfish food. Some of these algae make poisons that kill shellfish or make them dangerous for people to eat. Harmful algal blooms cost millions of US dollars in damage each year in Washington state due to lost harvest of wild or farmed shellfish. Some HABs are increasing due to climate change. By knowing when and where harmful algae are in the water, shellfish processors, harvesters, and managers can predict when shellfish will be toxic and use this information to make sure that shellfish are safe for us to eat. Managers can harvest shellfish early during times when harmful algal blooms are not present in the water, and any extra harvest can be prepared for canning, like these tribal harvesters are doing here. Or managers can also shift harvest to safe shellfish species that don't contain poisons, or place their operations in safe locations out of the way of harmful algal blooms. Shellfish safety is ensured through community monitoring programs, which use nets and microscopes to detect harmful algae. You can help by becoming part of community monitoring teams. Here we see pictures of coastal people who are part of monitoring partnerships that use microscopes and nets to provide an early warning of when and where these harmful algae are present. Community members are the foundation of these harmful algal bloom monitoring programs. They are the eyes on the coast. They love the place where they live, appreciate the food that they eat, and enjoy the environments in which they live. Community-driven science is a powerful collaborative tool to provide alerts of environmental change. People working together have great power and can help protect shellfish harvest for future generations. Join a community monitoring program, but even if you aren't able to volunteer, you probably enjoy eating shellfish or have friends who enjoy eating them. Please advocate for your local phytoplankton monitoring programs that need support for program coordinators and equipment, such as microscopes and nets. Do what you can to help make this community science possible to reduce the impact of harmful algal blooms.